one of our most popular tea bag packing machine. It's suitable for packing different kinds of tea products, such as the granule tea, loose tea, herbal tea, etc. The machine includes two parts, the water metering part and the main tea bag packing machine. Now let's see the machine whole procedure. Firstly, we need to assemble the tea bag material on the main machine. The inner filter paper roll, the outer envelope fill roll, as well as the tag roll with string roll. While the material is being ready, we can prepare tea powder to fill into the storage hopper. After starting the machine, the customized volume metering system will measure the volume size of the tea. Meanwhile, the filter paper roll will run through the bag former to form the inner filter bag. After the tea filling down, the tag and string will be attached to the filter bag for filling at the same time. Then, the mechanical arm will clamp the filter bag with string and tag into the outer bag former tube. Meanwhile, the outer envelope fill will go through the former tube for envelope bag packing. At the same time, day coder will print the date on the fill. With rotary sealing and cutting structure, the final tea bag will be cut one by one and comes out from the output conveyor. Machine operation parameters are clearly displayed and adjusted on the touch screen. Besides, machine electronic force and transmission structure are in clearly arrangement, easy for end users to do the routine maintenance.